So this is by far the easiest AI voice receptionist that you can set up for your real estate business. And I will show you exactly step by step how to use it. So it's called Up First, and Up First is, as you can see, if we take a look at the pricing, scaling with the amount of calls that you're getting. So if you're a new real estate firm, maybe you are an established real estate firm, this is a quite great way to implement your AI voice receptionist for your business in a very easy way. So you don't have to be tech savvy. You can just log in Up First, and we have a link below so you can test it out. And what you need to do is you need to set up first your phone number. So when you log in Up First, you will need to set up your phone number. This is my phone number. You can also forward to your number. So essentially what this does, it sets up your a custom phone number. You can purchase it anywhere from Twilio or anywhere that you have. And then anytime someone calls to your phone number, Up First will actually, answer that phone number. So in this case, or answer that call. In this case, we have an agent. And in that agent, this is how we set up our AI voice receptionist. So as you can see, forward calls to your number or use it directly for your business. And this is my number. So here I have personality. So I can go and I can add the receptionist name. For example, I can also randomize it. For example, right now it's called Cassidy. And I go here and I type in the voice. So I just select the voice that I want. So in this case, I can choose Jessica, for example. Let's play it.
Thanks for calling. I'm your virtual receptionist. How may I help you?
So as you can see, this is how you can kind of go and set this up. And then you can also adjust the speed and the tone. Also, if you scroll down right here, you can adjust the greeting message. So here it says, you reach FYD, this is my company, how can I help you today? And then here we have a goodbye message. And essentially, this is the first step into setting up your AI voice receptionist. Now, next up, you have knowledge. So obviously, knowledge base comes from a couple of different sources. You can add knowledge base. You can fetch from URL. You can add a custom knowledge base, like provide agent with additional information or instructions. You can also have a quick start with a template that they already have right here. Adding a business description. Again, you can add that right here. And as you can see, you have the business description. But again, you need to adjust that, and you have advanced. You can restrict knowledge by time. So when this knowledge should be used by the agent. So for example, when, for example, on Monday or Tuesday, then Wednesday or Thursday not. You can also adjust that. So it has a lot of different options here. But from there, when you add your knowledge base, you can also ask questions. So these are the questions that usually AI voice receptionists will ask. So for example, for name, for phone, address, email, company, you can obviously always go here and set this up. You also have transfer calls, so you can transfer a call right here to, let's say, maybe you have different departments in your real estate agency or something like that. You can do that. Or as you can see, if no one picks up, what should receptionist do? Take a message or send to voicemail. So as you can see, your receptionist stays on the line and continues the conversation. That's something you can do. And then you have, again, advanced restrict transfers by time. When transfers can take place. For example, if one day you have a lot of calls, then this can be a good rule. So obviously that's it. And then we have sending text. So you can send text messages during the call or after the call. As you can see, information to send. You have pricing information, for example, and then you can add a message and additional instructions. It's very simple, very easy to set up. As you can see, you can also send a scheduling link. Now, if you're sending a scheduling link, right here, you can message with a scheduling URL. However, for the scheduling, you can connect your calendar. So here you can connect Zapier. You can connect Google Calendar. In most cases, Google Calendar will work the best. And then once you connect that Google Calendar, you would be able to go in there and or anyone that calls you will be able to be scheduled automatically. Once you enable this, you go back to home and you go back to your agent, and then here you have notifications as well, so you can adjust a notification. So anytime you have a call, you get notification to your phone number or to your email, as you can see. So that's something you can also do. Now, if you want to test this, again, there are some integrations here which I kind of covered, but if you want to test this, you go to call and then web call right here. We click allow.
You've reached FYD. How can I help you today?
Hey there, I'm interested in the AI automation.
Great. We specialize in AI automation to help businesses streamline operations and boost productivity. Could you tell me a bit more?
So as you can see, this is how it sounds. It sounds really cool. Now, again, you can make it faster, you can make it slower by the speed right here under the agent settings. But essentially, this is the simplest way to build your AI receptionist for any business, not just for real estate. But again, if you're in real estate, this will help you a lot. So if you have any questions or comments, comment below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.